Welcome back. Prime Minister Mustafa Madbouli held a meeting with the Minister of Finance Mohammed Maid, where they reviewed the ministry implemented projects during the period from 2018 to 2021. Maid asserted that the ministry's strategy aims at reaching a leading state body that achieves the comprehensive economic development, and pointed out that the ministry has finalized its new structures as well as the tax authority and the treasury authority. The minister reiterated that a new device is being created to manage the refunded money and the Public Authority for Governmental Services. Maid said that the ministry has employed new human cadres of high efficiency at its organizational structures within the framework of its new strategy. U.S. Secretary of State Antony Blinken arrived in Cairo on Wednesday, part of a Middle East tour aimed at shoring up a ceasefire that ended the worst fighting in years between Israel and Palestine. Egypt played a key role in brokering the ceasefire after 11 days of violence in coordination with the United States. Blinken arrived in Egypt after stopping in Jerusalem and Ramallah, and he is also due to visit Jordan. The Rafah border crossing between Egypt and Gaza was opened exceptionally for 11 consecutive days on Wednesday. Palestinian patients as well as the injured in the latest cross-border attacks with the Israelis and the stranded are allowed to cross, as well as the aid to the Strip. On Monday, the crossing witnessed the passing of Palestinians, Arabs and foreigners stranded at the border on both sides, as well as patients and the delivery of aid to the Strip. Minister of Housing and Urban Communities Asim Al-Ghazzar met on Wednesday with a number of members of the coordination of parties, youth leaders and politicians and ministries officials. The meeting tackled several issues which concerned the citizens, including regulations and conditions of construction for new cities nationwide. Al-Ghazzar illustrated the aims beyond applying those regulations, which come within the terms of the law number 119 for the year 2018 for urban communities to expand the inhabited areas. The minister pointed out to the importance of the rules to organize the constructions and the prevention of economic losses, as well as to facilitate transportation movement in the new cities according to the state's national plan for 2052. Egypt reported 1,140 new coronavirus cases, bringing the total number of infections to 256,124 people since the outbreak that hit the country in mid-February last year. The Health Ministry reported 49 new deaths, and that would bring the total number of fatalities to 14,807. The ministry added that 987 patients were discharged from hospitals, widening the number of those who have recovered to 187,691.